This is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our dear friend and book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you, and Happy New Year.
Well, Happy New Year to you. And I think the consensus is 2022 has to be better than 2021.
I would subscribe to that opinion. I think it owes us.
We haven't set the bar very high.
It's true.
Okay, Sarah, that being said, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, we are getting into the final days of hosting Americans and the Holocaust, the exhibit from the American Library Association at the main library. It will be here until January 14th. So if you haven't been to see it, it's your last chance. We're getting into the final days. It's an excellent exhibit, museum quality traveling exhibit. I really encourage people to come and see it. In support of that exhibit, we've hosted several programs, and we have the last one coming up this week on Wednesday. Our librarian Jim Patrick is hosting what he's calling a research sprint. And what that means is participants will gather in the computer lab and be looking at some of our online newspapers and other resources to see what the headlines were saying during that period of time here in Yuma. So we'll look at headlines from the 30s and 40s and find out what kind of news was making it to the desert Southwest about the Holocaust and other events at that time.
Wow, we're all proud that the library was able to snag this exhibit, have a chance to show it to everybody in Yuma. I'm sure the library is just proud as punch. Is that such a term, proud as punch?
Pleased as punch, I think, but okay. Same difference. Same difference. Yes, we are. We were one of 50 libraries in the country to have the chance to host this exhibit. So we are extremely proud of it and so glad that we could bring it to the Yuma community.
Very cool. What else do we have, Sarah?
Well, we have an open house coming up for the teen room at the main library, and this was in response to a lot of kids who are not quite 13 yet. They're 12 and under, but they want to be cool and hang out in the teen room. And also for people on the other end of the age spectrum, the 18 and over, as many of us are, who just wonder what exactly goes on in the teen room. So they are going to open their doors this Friday to all ages, and they will have technology on display. They'll have virtual reality gaming, some of the robotic projects that we have going on, other grant projects that are coming up this year. So it's your chance, if you are not between the ages of 13 and 18, to get a sneak peek at what goes on in the teen room.
Well, something else we can be proud of, and what an opportunity to indoctrinate those 11 and 12-year-olds.
Yes, we are so happy that they are counting the days till they can hang out in the teen room. That means a lot. It's very exciting.
It is. Yeah. I can remember back when the last buffalo left the plains that, I was getting ready to turn 13, and I was excited about it.
Good times.
Good times. All right. What else we got, Sarah?
Last but not least, we have a couple of library labs coming up at the Foothills Library. Of course, we are very focused on science, the STEM-based programming, science, technology, engineering, and math. And so our youth services person out at Foothills has a few laboratory experiments planned for our kiddos out in East County. So that is taking place at Foothills on Saturday, the 8th and 22nd at 2 p.m. And that is for ages 6 to 12 approximately. And you will just be doing all kinds of cool, fun science stuff.
How cool is that? And let's get out there. Let's get out there and do that stuff. All right. This has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. And we want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. So thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.